Sanibonani and welcome to my YouTube channel. So, still ifamily kaMseleku family retreat kuyakhulunywa nje lapha. Base baphezu kwetafula. Everyone is getting questions. I think ubaba uNdaba that feels like iyamfanela. So, uMangwabe, uMayeni and uMakhumalo, they felt like they didn't contribute anything to umshado wakaMseleku or to make this Thembu a success. Ubaba uNdaba asked them ukuthi, what is it that they've contributed or they feel like they've contributed? So we answer uyayifana. So ubaba uNdaba uthi kuMakhumalo, kodwa njena you've raised uMpilona and I've seen you not so long graduation and all that. Yabona. Uthi uMakhumalo, no. Ubaba uNdaba, you can say whatever you want to say. Nami I can say what I can say. Kodwa if no appreciation or no contribution doesn't come from the Mseleku members, then it doesn't count. Uthi kanjani manje? Uthi uMseleku doesn't see that as a contribution to this. uMseleku shocked. Uthi umama lo omunye lona, I've seen how umnini lights up when you walk into a room. That is contribution. uMakhumalo uthi contribution ibona ubaba uMseleku. If sibona saka mnini or happiness or ukukhuliswa kwaMpilona doesn't qualify as a contribution to uMseleku, then she didn't contribute anything. Yabona, because indzaba finances was excluded vele. So gee, uMakhumalo is just uMakhumalo. Ufike lapha nje wayihlalela wangazama anything, didn't contribute anything. uMangwabe says yena, nami I didn't contribute anything. How ubaba uNdaba is like, woman, you have kids, unelikhaya, you are raising your kids and all that. uMangwabe was like, no, yeah, I do have kids. Kodwa amantombazane, to uMseleku that means that angayenzanga lutho because uMseleku ufuna abafana. Ubaba uNdaba is like, wait, what? So you don't get the appreciation for the kids and not no. For that one, I don't. I'm sorry. Hayibo uMseleku. uMakhumalo comes and asks uMacele asked a question yokuthi she wants to understand from uMayeni, uMangwabe and uMakhumalo what happened that made them feel like or assured them that uMacele was the one who wanted uMseleku to have the fifth wife. uMangwabe was like, I wanted this one. I'm not gonna sit back and not say anything. So when mama, uMseleku will come to us and tell us ukuthi wena if angathatha number 5 kusho ukuthi he would be disrespecting you. He will be coming or going or doing something that you guys didn't agree on. So umfazi uyafuneka vele. uMseleku ngambuza ngathi mina, who went and paid for the lobola? uMseleku wathi yena he didn't know anything about the lobola. He was sick and he doesn't even know where the funds came from. So seems like uMacele is the one who gave abakhongi imali yamalobolo. uMacele makabuza umuzwa ukuthi hayibo mfana, why did you say all those things? uMseleku uthi hawu bengigula mina. I was confused. I don't even remember what I said. So nje angiyazi indaba. Hayibo, uthi bangimele ready to fight. So I said Macele, everything Macele. uMacele yena just confused. Is confused. Indzaba led to a medical aid kaMseleku. Why Mseleku didn't have a medical aid and all that. And then Umayeni is the one that said, but Umayeni said that she's not going to contribute to anything towards my finances kwaMseleku clinic. Why did she say that, Umayeni? Umayeni said that she said that yes, vele and akaphiki. But the conversation came from uMseleku once said that bangamfaki ku-medical aid, yena unomfazi osebenza ka-government who would put him ku-medical aid, so they don't have to worry about that one. Came to uMseleku being sick and then they find out that uMseleku doesn't have a medical aid. Umayeni is like, hayibo, le ndoda lena said that medical aid umfazi wakhe government what is what. And then manje you guys are telling me ukuthi akana medical aid. Hayi ngizigeni mina. angize entrance, also find out that uMayeni has been saying to Mseleku ufuna ukumfaka ku-medical aid. Mseleku has been refusing for so long. That's the reason why Mseleku didn't have a medical aid. Makhumalo forced and took magama kaMseleku and put ku-medical aid because she had access to. Umseleku, when he was alive and well, said that angifuni medical aid from you. Ufuna medical aid from who? He wants to be covered by Umangwaba. Umangwaba also, I'm not gonna cover you because I am not the only wife. You are not my husband to me alone. Umseleku uthi ngifuna kuwena i-medical aid girl. Umangwaba wayala siphethe wathi no, you know what? Ngizokufaka ku-medical aid. Wavuma Umseleku futhi lapha etafuleni athi vele bengifuna kumangwabe. That's the reason why. Well, guys, I feel like Umusa naye has a way of not telling the truth, and that is why it turns out to hate labantu laba besifazane bonke before, because they are not as close as sisters, right? They don't have communication every day. I feel like kuchekeka kwale family, like they usually say, ukuthi Umusa is the one who's making them not to be. Because now it turns out that everyone didn't know that Umayeni wanted to put Umusa on medical aid and Umusa wayala. Now we were all under the impression that Umayeni didn't want to support Umyeni wakhe. She didn't want him to phela because she didn't want to pay the hospital bills, and Umakhumalo had to cover a lot of money for that one, right? Nobody knew ukuthi Umseleku was lying when he was saying that Umacele said I should. Umacele said I should. Umacele said I should. Now it's coming to Umacele ukuthi oh vele kahle these people are hating me for something lena batshelwe yona. Bayibo, this husband. Now it's coming to her ukuthi hayibo. Phela mina thought that these people were lying. Kanti into ekhulunyiwe